Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw a small house, a small wooden house. First you have to put down the baseline with a regular pencil, mechanical pencil. You have to think about the shape first and how the house will look in the end. This will be nothing too complicated or exclusive, only a small regular wooden house with one window and with one door. So you need this house will be in a perspective, a view from above. I was thinking about putting a small window on the top of the house on the roof, as you can see. Just setting up the baselines, not going into details for now. And I was also thinking about let's make some fence around the house. A simple fence, so it will keep the wild animals from entering inside the garden. Putting more details into the door. This will be the entrance to the house. Making a little bit more stronger lines, because I know now how the roof will look. Just a simple roof, happy little roof. This is a poor man's house, not too expensive. Making the baseline of the second wall. On this wall you can find the window, and on the roof you can find this small attic window. Strengthening the lines around the house, making the fence and putting on some more details into the fence. This is one side of the fence. Making small little details to look more interesting, to have that more interesting look. Then I put more details on the other side of the fence. Small wooden poles which will hold the fence more stable. Making more details on the window and on the side of the walls. I hope you like it till now. And if you think to learn to draw how simple house, you maybe start to draw a simple house without putting it into perspective from above. Just try to draw a house from side or from the front. I could make a tutorial about that if you want to. Putting more of these poles down beside the fence. Okay, now we should put on a little bit stronger lines for the roof. This is a 2B pencil, and the side of the house, these wooden planks that's on the attic, should also have more details on it. Just strengthening the lines, nothing more, to have more details in it. Don't want to go overboard with the shadows and the too much going into details, only the amount that is necessary, no more, no less. We should go work more around the fence. And this attic window have also a small opening, which looks pretty cool, pretty neat. The window have more so basically we should put down some shadow on this wall. Maybe it's on the shaded side of the backyard. Some more shading and shade the wall. Maybe it's put more details on the ground and shading on the ground. This is the entrance of the garden. There's a little gate to it. And I hope you like this. I hope you like this drawing, because I think it's pretty much finished and I'm satisfied with it. Thank you for watching.